Gadget Junkie here, bringing you a drone gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this carrying case for the DJI Flip. For transparency, I bought everything you see in this video with my own money. This is not sponsored. So I've got one of the Pelican cases for my full kit, but it's a suitcase. It's big, bulky, and sometimes just unnecessary. So, I've got the RC2 controller, the Fly More combo here. And so, occasionally I just want to go out, take the drone out, use the pre-programmed flight paths in there, capture some footage while I'm out walking at the beach or at the park or whatever, and not have to worry about having the controller with me, because that's part of the beauty of having this drone is the autonomous flights. You don't have to have a controller. You can do the follow me. If I'm out riding my electric scooter or out riding my skateboard, I can throw this up in the air, do the follow me, and catch some footage, right? So this case here makes that possible without having all the extra bulk. Basically, this is waterproof, dustproof, a little bit of impact resistance there. You can't step on it. It's not that hard, but it definitely provides some impact protection for your regular bumps and stuff, right? Inside, the case is molded for the Flip and an extra battery. So, goes down up in there, fits perfectly. There's not a lot of extra space in there. You do have some room up top here for some props for a charging cable, USB cable, or whatever. If you want to put that, you can put your pilot's license if you have one of those and stuff up in there, but not a lot of extra space unnecessarily, right? Folds up very nicely. It's not much thicker than the drone itself. As you can see, that's my hand on top of it. I mean, it's nice and compact, specifically for the Flip. They do give you a carabiner here, so if you want to hang this off a backpack or something like that, you can do that. And as you can see, I got the gray one. It just looks really nice, guys. So if you're looking for a compact carrying case for your Flip, highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.